Technology Regulations 2017 provides as follows. Information security. The Commission shall put in place mechanisms to ensure data availability, accuracy, integrity, confidentiality, as set out in the first schedule. The Court is aware of Raila Odinga and another, this is IBC 2017, where at paragraph 231, it provided and underscored the objective in the above laws. I will not belabor that. The technology envisaged by Section 44 of the Elections Act was intended to ensure an integrated and secure tallying and data transmission system which would allow computerized data entry tallying at constituencies, secure simultaneous transmission of individual polling stations, station-level data to the National Tallying Center, and the integration of the results handling system in a progressive election result announcement system. Two words that bear emphasis there is simultaneous and progressive election result system. Our submission in this regard is that the technology deployed by the IBC for the conduct of the 2022 general elections completely failed the standards of a secure, transparent electronic voting system, and thereby yielded what has aptly been described by my colleagues as an unverifiable, inaccurate, and therefore invalid results. Our further submission in this regard is that the technology was so inherently corrupted, manipulated, and tainted that the results declared by Mr. Chebukati, the third respondent, cannot be, in an objective case, said to be representative of the true will of the Kenyan people, as we and as I will demonstrate in my further submissions. On the evidence, the components, principles that ought to have been met in order to meet the constitutional standard of a secure and transparent system are as follows.